Hi guys, today we are going to make Kerala Chammandi, which is actually called as red chutney, but this is the ingredient which is used for Kerala Chammandi, which is especially made in Kerala. People eat with dosa, chapati, and with rice. So, this is the ingredient what you see, which is sliced coconut, ginger, curry leaves, onions, red chilies. You can see couple of red chilies, which is one is a normal red chili and a single red chili, which is Kashmiri red chili, and then which is in the center is rock salt. So these are the ingredient to make red chammandi, which is Kerala chammandi. So let's see how it's gonna be made. So we're gonna just take all these ingredient and put it in the jar. That's ginger, curry leaves, sliced onions, red chilies, a normal red chilies and Kashmiri chili, a single one. So we are gonna grind these first. So we are gonna grind this without the sliced coconut and the rock salt. We will have to grind it a little more. Let us do it. So it is semi grounded. Let's add on the coconut and the rock salt now. We will have to grind it more. Make sure that you don't add any water into it because this has to be a dry grind. You might have to mix it a few times because it is a dry grind. As I said, it's still not grounded, so you'll have to mix it again. And please do not add any water. I do understand that it's pretty hard to grind it without any water, but still you'll have to mix it multiple times. So please do it to get the actual good taste of Kerala style chammandi. So that's great. Our Kerala chammandi is ready. So as I said, we haven't poured a single drop of water and it's ground really well. Remember, you'll have to grind it multiple times, but make sure that you take the cover out, and mix it well. So let's put this in a bowl from the jar. So we are transferring the chammandi from the jar to the bowl. This is a wonderful Kerala chammandi and it's best to eat with some nice chapatis or dosas, or as I said, with rice as well. And the best part of this chammandi is many people would love to eat with this. I mean, add on a little tamarind, because that gives you a little better flavor. So we didn't add any tamarind to this, but in case if any lover would really want to add on some tamarind, you can, please. So please taste this, and I would always suggest you, this would really give you a very good flavor and taste for chapati, dosas and rice. Thank you.